Okay, so I have to do a part 2 because I was to show you how to do this part and something messed up with my video. I don't know what. So I'm gonna do a part 2 to show you how to do this part. And I just want to show you, see how I put them in like a little styrofoam. I washed these up from the chicken with some soap and water, and I just use them to put everything in so they don't leak out. And these ones actually have in soil, if you can see. This is another option I was telling you. It's actually a grape tomato container. I got the grape tomatoes in there. I saved some of the seeds and I planted them, and see they're coming up. I just put stuff in like this in the bottom. This is from mushrooms I bought. Put them in here so that it doesn't wet everywhere, especially if I have them in the house. And then another thing I want to show you was these toilet paper container. It's gonna work the same way like how this work. I use this and I just stock them in. I'm gonna have my granddaughter fill them up with soil and seeds later, just as a little project for her. So that's another way to plant. You just fill that up with soil and add your seeds and add more soil. And today I'm gonna show you this actual one, which is the one that I did on a cylindrical glass, and it will it's as easy. It's just you could do any size glass you want. You could get bigger glasses. You can't use something tapered like this. It wouldn't work. It you have to put it on something cylindrical so you can take it off easily. And learn from me not to wrap it too tight, because I wrapped it way too tight. So I'm just using my London, see, I get my London paper, and I don't, once I read it, instead of throwing it out, I just use this. I take one sheet, I fold it in half, right? And the trick is you use the nice end at the bottom, see, at the bottom here, and you really roll it up. I go about halfway down, see, halfway down on the paper. So halfway down on the paper, and I roll it, and you don't roll it too tight, otherwise you won't be able to take it off. I just take my time and keep my hands loose. See, the glass is still loose in there. Sorry, just want to show you that the glass is still loose. I just do that. The nice edge at the bottom part, but you bring this up about halfway so you can tuck this in. There's a reason for doing that. And you just take your thing and do it as loose as possible, right? If you do it too tight, you won't be able to take it off. So learn from me. When you finish that, you tuck this part right in like that, right? Tuck in the bottom, the thick part, the open edge, and you pull it off, right? And then you take your fingers and you push it down to give it a bottom so that the soil don't fall out when you put it in, right? And as I said, you just put them in this container here so that they're good. See, this one is all done. See, inside is all pushed down, so there's no open areas. See, I'm just gonna do one more. So that's how the paper comes like this. And I take it and I fold it in half this way, right? Super easy. And then you put the part you're gonna stuff in is the part that go at the open part of the glass. So the open edge like this, that's folded, and then the neat edge you keep along here, so you have a neat edge like this when you're finished, right? And as I said, you roll it really lightly. You don't roll it too tight, otherwise you won't be able to take it off the glass. And the glass have to be cylindrical. If it is tapered like something like this, it won't work because you won't be able to take it off properly. It'll be weird. But you can use as big or small of a glass as you want. So I'm gonna start again. I rolled it. After I roll it, I really should have tucked it in. See? Show you how I tucked it in. Then I pull it off. I got too excited there just now. And then I take my fingers and I just flatten this part in. There's really nothing to it. So you learn how to make the square ones, the cylindrical ones, the toilet paper rolls. I just saved them, or paper towel. This one is shorter because I cut these 3 from a paper towel roll. I don't throw away anything, as I said. I'm only a pack rat for arts and craft and knitting, yarn and needles and books, crochet, knitting and crocheting. I'm not a pack rat for anything else. Everything else I control. I'm a minimalist and my house is pretty empty, but I love recycling, reusing, restoring stuff, right? So thank you for watching. Hopefully you can see my granddaughter putting this all together on the end of this video. Thank you. Okay, see if Jaya can do it, my granddaughter. Anyone can do it. Fill out the little toilet paper things and the little... See, Jabita is doing it. Yeah, then we'll just get the seeds and put them in and then fill them up to the top. Don't fill them all the way up to the top, babe. Put them like halfway so we can put seeds in them. Grandma will get the seeds, okay?
Seeds.
See the toilet paper roll and the origami square boxes and the cylindrical glass containers. One seed and put one in each one. One at a time. One in each one. We're planting right now spinach. They're called Bloomsdale long-standing. See, long-standing spinach. And Jai is putting one seed in each one.
I want to spin.
See, one at a time. See, one. If you put so much in, they won't grow. So we have to put one at a time in each one, right? Can you pick these ones up? Oh, no, put this. Can you take the soil now? Take the soil again. Look, take the soil again and start putting it on top. Dig it in. Put it on top. Right. Exactly. Take the soil and put it on top. Yeah, fill them up. Fill that one up now. That one is done. Fill up that one now. Yeah. You could get some more. Get some more in the get some from here now. Continue filling these ones up. Oops, I'm moving the camera too much, sorry. Can't be doing two things at the same time. I'm trying. This one, no. That one is good. This one, and this one. And then these ones. Right? Oh, my hand is messy. I just bring out a little dirt from here. Put it on this side. Just dip in the cup, baby. Just dip the cup in there. There we go. Wow, that's smart. Wow. Finish, fill all of them up. That's good. That's good. Yes. Fill them all up. Yes. Wow, you're getting better and better. More soil. More. Put some in these ones. Put some in these ones. You have to cover the seeds when you put them in, okay? That's what you're doing. You're covering the seeds. See? See? Very good. Wow, we did that. Okay, Grandma's gonna go get her watering can and then you can water it, okay? Okay, Jabita?